So that's about 700 grams right there. We're going to melt that, let it drop down, and then add some more. All right, so I cleaned these molds up, and you can see that's got a little flux in it. No dice on those. This looks like a good candidate. It's just had silver in it. I believe these right here had been used at one time to make anode bars for the copper cell, so we're definitely not going to use those to pour a bar today. We're going to do this, and I cleaned that up with oil, not water, because I don't want any moisture in it, and the oil kind of acts like a release agent. So, and it washes off real easy. So we'll see how that goes. Still hot. Thanks. "600 grams on the dot," but I have to say I must have seriously miscalculated because I thought this was going to be a 1 kilogram bar. All right, so 600 gram bar. That mold was definitely not big enough. And I know that's slightly uneven, but I didn't level out the bar like I did the last one. It's got some surface. This has not been cleaned. This is all natural. And so this is what we've done so far. This is the total amount of the bars I've poured. Not great. I probably need to get another silver cell up and running. I feel like I know this is pure silver, and this one is pure silver. This shot also has been run through the silver cell twice. It's definitely very pure. So I got a little bit more than an ounce in shot. I'll just add it to this pile right here from the coins, but I feel like the coin silver was only run through once, and that doesn't really meet my criteria for pure silver. So we'll come back and get a weight on this stuff for the shot or silver cell, and we'll get back. All right, so we have 258 grams of shot for coins or silver cell food. We'll see. And today's bar we poured we'll tear that out and just move that to the side so we get a weight. It was 238 grams. That's not bad. I don't like the way it looks. I should have taken the time to level that out, but the mold was hot and I was in a rush because, well, I need to work on my arithmetic. And that size right here, that mold really is for a 500 gram bar, half a kilo bar. So we'll have to, yeah, I guess we're gonna have to get the silver cell cranked up so we can make a kilogram bar. I don't know, probably maybe I'll use this for coins, or we'll figure it out. But we got 845 grams a shot for the silver cell solution or electrolyte. We've got some shot, and man, I think this bar might have to get donated. So, you know, we've got some starting material.